Experience silky radiance with Aurora. Aurora is a revolutionary facial cream product that will transform your skin from dull, dry, and damaged to bright, supple, and smooth. Aurora's edge lies in the magnificent combination of stabilized vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant which moisturizes and brightens, and borage oil, an all-natural ingredient from star flower extract, for deep hydration that will leave your skin with a healthy glow. The Aurora Day and Night Cream set was formulated to complement each other so your skin is pampered day and night. Use Aurora Day and Night Cream every day so you can step out of the covers and let your silky radiance shine through.